I have a TW200 Yamaha, and I'm going to replace the clutch and brake handle on them, because if you have them for very long, that's just something you're going to have to do if you drop it a time or two. This one's not broken, it's just bent to the side and it's kind of annoying. So first thing you're going to do is pull these plastic guards off, just like that. This side, a little different. You're going to kind of lift that guy up and back. There's little tabs you can kind of pull on. Get that out of there. Lift that guy up. Same with the bottom. Just kind of wiggle it off and pull it right off the end, like that. Set those to the side. That is a 10mm. Just come on top with the socket, and you can use whatever on the bottom. Bottom is a nylock, so you're just gonna kind of hold it while you take the top out. Like that. Very, very simple. Once you get your handle out, you're gonna pull it out, rotate it, and your little cable deal from the bottom will come out. Sometimes it can be a kind of a poopy poop, but it'll go. You just gotta work with it a little bit. Just like that. And that's all there is for the clutch handle. The brake handle, a little simpler. That's just the one. Just loosen that guy up. And if that bottom starts spinning, get something on there to hold it, which it doesn't look like it's even moving, which is kind of odd actually. There's the nylock from the bottom, and you just keep working that top until it comes out. Just like that. Guard your little spring, just like that. Okay, got some new ones on Amazon. I am not the kind of person that wants to buy any upgrades for stuff like this, just because that's a part that you're gonna break often if you're riding through sticks or doing anything like that. So honestly, these cheap ones are kind of the way to go, just because it gets expensive putting good stuff like that on your bike. This is the brake side. So with the brake side, you got your new handle just like that. So make if yours has a little slotted side, make sure the slotted side's on the outside so you can adjust it and start screwing it in. That lock nut on there, something like that. We'll do the adjustments afterwards. Yeah, that feels pretty good. I'm using a product, Boss 470. It's just a silicone grease. Works fantastic for this kind of stuff. Let's squish a little bit right in that hole. Gonna kind of re-lubricate the spring, get some of that kind of squished around in there just to prevent any kind of corrosion. And we're gonna just drop it in there just like that. And drop that guy back in there. Off to the races. Get it about that snug. Get your lock nut, stick it right up there on the bottom. Right up there. And give that guy a little snugness. None of this stuff needs to be like tight. Just needs to be snug enough it don't come off. Nothing crazy. Double the top. Good. Love it. You can pretty much do that by hand. I don't even think you actually need a screwdriver for doing that. I am gonna call that good. just gonna tighten that lock nut down. Kind of snug, nothing crazy. I don't know what the actual specs are, but as long as you got a little bit of play at the end, then you're good. You don't want to get it tight to where it's riding the brakes all the time. All right, then we're gonna go on the other side and throw the clutch handle on. Okay, I don't know if you can really see it. Then again, 10 millimeter, your little nut deal. And the trick is getting that guy in there, which is kind of a pain in the butt because of trying to pull it out at the same time. So you just kind of want to line it up and, oh wow, that was super easy actually. That was way harder to get off than to get in. See if I can get it from the other angle with the camera. Just gonna pull that guy out. I'll hold it. Just feed that right into the hole. I know you can't see anything with my fat ugly hands in the way, but that is super easy to get in. Line the hole up, take your nut off, and drop it through the top. I'm gonna line that hole up there till it's good. And then I'll just, and then you will just wiggle that guy right in there until it kind of seats. Start screwing it in, tighten it up. Same thing, not tight, just snug it. Go underneath and stick your nylock on there. You can kind of see where it goes like that. Not tight, just kind of snug, just like that. Much better. I know it's not the end of the world if they're not totally straight, but it's just super annoying when you pull the handle in and it's like coming in on the bottom and not actually up to the bar. So I think these are like 18 bucks or something. Super reasonable for when you stinking break them all the time. These rubber guards, on the other hand, they're a pain in the butt to get back on. But, you know, just shove it through this way, get the knob out the hole, and line these guys up to the bolts like that. And then these rubber tabs that kind of come off the end, you got to kind of use those wings to stretch it around it, and it'll hopefully go up on there easy. That actually went way easier than I thought it was going to be. The other times I've done this, it's been a huge pain in the butt to get these stupid rubber things back on. Same for this side. Just gonna put that through the hole like that. Wiggle it on there and shove it up into place. That's all there is to it. And that's it.